Not because he's Shah Rukh Khan's son.
Okay.
Not because of anything else, but
Yeah.
because I think मुझे हमेशा से लगता था कि Aryan will do something amazing in life.
Okay.
So जैसे मैंने सुना कि आर्यन का फर्स्ट शो है, I was like, I have to be a part of this. Aryan stands out because he is driven by the pursuit of perfection. He wants to make sure that he can get the best out of the team and out of the script. He was always so enthusiastic and so focused.
Yeah.
He did not have time. He didn't have time to be emotional.
Right.
He was like, नहीं, next, अब एक और scene, एक और take, let's do it.
Really want to ask, आप लोगों के साथ हंसते थे आर्यन खान?
Of course, smile aside,
Yeah.
Aryan's sense of humor is very intelligent. He has a very intelligent sense of humor, and I think that's why you can see the genius in Bads.
You met him? Shahrukh sir से?
Actually, जब मैं shoot कर रहा था, he didn't visit.
Okay.
He visited on the days that I wasn't shooting.
Okay.
तो मैं उनको सीधा मन्नत में ही मिला
हाँ.
at the screening. Sorry, I'm very shy as a singer.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You sung before.
If you give me rap, if you give me like hip hop songs,
Honey sing.
नहीं.
Firstly, how you enjoying this when, or you can call it a success thing? कैसे enjoy कर रहे हो after Bads of Bollywood?
बस enjoyment ही चल रही है. You know, कम सो रहा हूँ आजकल, कम खाना खा रहा हूँ. But that's because there's so much happening. लेकिन खुशी है, and खुशी ही मुझे, you know, जिंदा you know, like.
Right. I really want to know the insights. सक्सेस पार्टी के बारे में.
Yeah, please.
क्या हुआ था सक्सेस पार्टी में, कैसे एंजॉय किया? मन्नत में सक्सेस पार्टी जो हुई?
नहीं, एक्चुअली सक्सेस पार्टी अभी तक हुई नहीं है.
अभी
हम करेंगे. I think Aryan is out of the country.
Okay.
So I think whenever he's back, we'll all celebrate.
But I know there have been a parties जब से आपने ये सीरीज स्टार्ट करी, I guess.
Yeah.
बार मन्नत जाने का मौका मिला है सबको.
Definitely. Screenings के लिए, yes.
Yeah.
For
But
sure.
how was that?
That was so much fun.
Yeah.
That was so much fun. We went for a screening beginning of this year, I think 3rd of Jan. So that was a lot of fun. हमने पहले 3 episodes देखे थे और मैंने पहली बार देख रहा था तो मतलब मुझे शुरुआत में I was like, oh my god, this show is insane.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Right?
Yeah.
But what drew you to do this project? Specifically, I want to ask कि कहीं ना कहीं ये दिमाग में था कि ये आर्यन खान का प्रोजेक्ट है, at the end of the day सुपरस्टार के बेटे का प्रोजेक्ट है, वो भी चल रहा था, या फिर you went to यार जो मेरा पार्ट है, it's very interesting, let's do that.
I'll be honest, I wanted to do this because Aryan was directing, not because he's Shah Rukh Khan's son.
Okay.
Not because of anything else, but because I think मुझे हमेशा से लगता था कि Aryan will do something amazing in life.
Okay.
So जैसे मैंने सुना कि आर्यन का फर्स्ट शो है, I was like, I have to be a part of this. चाहे मैं एक दिन के लिए शूट करूं या 10-15 दिन के लिए. So
you've worked with lots of directors, right, in your past career, but I want to specifically ask कि what drew आर्यन खान को select करने का, first thing, second, how he stands out from all the directors?
Aryan stands out because he is driven by the pursuit of perfection. He wants to make sure that he can get the best out of the team and out of the script as a whole.
Okay.
So, and when someone has that intention, usually they are taken over by emotion.
Right.
They get very angry or frustrated, or you know, they get emotional. But Aryan was very calm. He was very composed.
Okay.
And he was very much in control of what is of himself on set.
Right.
So that made him stand out from all the other directors that I've worked with. मतलब मैंने एक बार भी उनको मतलब तंग होते हुए नहीं देखा. He was always so enthusiastic and so focused.
Yeah.
He did not have time. He didn't have time to be emotional.
Right.
He was like, नहीं, next, एक और scene, एक और take, let's do it. So.
But I really want to ask, आप लोगों के साथ हंसते थे आर्यन खान?
Of course.
Because we haven't seen him smile.
Yeah.
in the whole जितना भी मीडिया इंटरेक्शन हुआ है, कुछ भी स्क्रीनिंग्स हुई है, मैंने मतलब हम सब ने आर्यन खान को हंसते हुए नहीं देखा है. Why? What's the reason?
I have no idea, but I think that it's a good look for him.
Yeah.
You know, like he looks like an action superstar, and I love that. But he's very normal. He's just like us, you know.
Yeah.
And he laughs. He actually has a very he has a cute laugh. Okay. Like why? Because it has a hint of mischief to it. You know, which is very nice. Like
behind the scenes, I'm sure he must be opposite than in front of camera, nahi?
Yeah.
because he do not smile
Yeah,
genuinely.
no. I mean, he won't smile in front of camera.
Okay.
I don't. हमने try भी किया था
या
premiere
हमने
में.
देखा था
In the premiere,
स्क्रीनिंग
everyone
में.
was like, okay,
हाँ, इवन
Aryan.
बॉबी सर डिड ना कि हम
हाँ,
लोग
he's
की
tried.
हंस. we saw, yeah.
नहीं, but he has a great smile. He has a great sense of humor. Actually, smile aside,
Yeah.
Aryan's sense of humor is very intelligent. He has a very intelligent sense of humor, and I think that's why you can see the genius in Bads. You can see why the show is so brilliant.
Right, true, honest. But I've heard that कि आर्यन ना काफी improvisation का मौका देते थे सेट पे
Definitely, of
कि यार
course.
तुम्हें अगर तुम्हारा कुछ है तो तुम बताओ वो भी हम ले लेंगे वैसा कुछ ले लेंगे. Was there a scene with you, something like that?
Definitely. नहीं, actually क्या होता है ना, I personally feel कि comedy में you have so much more scope for
Right,
improvisation.
right.
And he allowed everyone to improv. And the best thing about Aryan is वो हर suggestion को seriously लेते थे. जैसे हम डबिंग में थे और एक सीन है जैसे वो डिनर टेबल सीन आपको
Yes,
याद है
yes,
जब
yes.
करिश्मा
Seher.
टीवी पे सो व्हाट हैपेंड इज डबिंग के टाइम ना हम व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग माय लाइंस आफ्टर उसके बिल्कुल बाद एक सीन है कि जब एवरीवन इज लीविंग लाइक हम गाड़ी में निकल रहे हैं और फिर पिंक फरारी दिखती है तो आई जस्ट सजेस्टेड ऐसे ही मतलब रैंडमली बोला मैंने कहा यार जब वो गाड़ी जा रही है ना तो पीछे से आवाजें आएंगी मतलब ऑन स्क्रीन कि जैसे मतलब गाड़ी में से आवाजें आ रही कि मैं मॉम को बोल रहा अरे मॉम ये क्या हो रहा है ये वो और फिर आर्यन वाज लाइक गुड आइडिया और आर्यन ने डाला यार so I love that he's very receptive. He will absorb, you know, and then he will apply.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
But I've seen the most of your scene was with Sahi, right?
Definitely. Yeah.
How was that working with her? I mean,
Oh,
even
she's
she was
lovely.
doing it her prep for the first time, second time, such type of itna bada budget with such big actors around. What was
Exactly.
that?
Oh,
How was
Seher
that?
is lovely. She's a lovely person. She's very kind. She's very caring. And she has a wonderful smile. Like she makes you feel welcome with her smile. जब मैं पहली बार उनसे मिला था ना, it was at the Red Chili's office. So I came for the first script read. और जैसे I entered, she was already sitting and she looked this way and she smiled, hey, you know, and that's when I knew I was like, oh my God, I have a very kind co-star.
Right? The other day I was talking to Raghav and he said me that कि you know ये एक ऐसा माहौल हो गया था मतलब सब कहीं ना कहीं skeptical थे यार क्या चल रहा है क्योंकि पूरी स्टोरी तो पता नहीं था किसी को भी
Exactly.
है ना लास्ट डे तक you didn't know that what is going what is
कि
happening
मतलब
जब हम
twist क्या है?
हाँ ट्विस्ट क्या
Yeah.
it was सबके लिए वो सरप्राइज था बट ऐसे सच प्रोजेक्ट के साथ आप जब काम करते हो तो डू यू थिंक इन माइंड कि पता नहीं क्या होगा इतनी बड़े कास्ट हैं विल आई स्टैंड आउट और नॉट देयर कहीं मुझे चमकने का मौका मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा जब आप इतने बड़े कास्ट के साथ वो कहीं ना कहीं रहता है दिमाग में
Actually जब मैं स्क्रीनिंग पे गया था ना तो I left feeling like यार I I I I could have done better because सबका काम देखने के बाद I was like wow कितना अच्छा काम किया है सभी ने तो at that time वो खुद को लगता है कि यार खुद को लगता है कि I should have done better but that was the only point बाकी तो I'm so happy for everyone यार मतलब everyone's done such an amazing job
yeah and you seen that viral moment of Imran Hasmi का
yeah oh my god जब मैंने स्क्रीनिंग में देखा था ना I think हम सब स्क्रीनिंग रूम में ऐसा लग रहा था कि कम से कम 100-200 लोग बैठे हुए
I mean, सोशल मीडिया के फीड पे हर इंसान के फीड पे मेरे खासकर फीड पे सिर्फ इमरान हाशमी आ रहे हैं बैड्स ऑफ बॉलीवुड के हर कैरेक्टर्स आ रहे हैं वो सोशल मीडिया पे चल रहा है
exactly
right?
yes and
How
I
do you
love
find
it
it?
and I
Yeah,
love it I
yeah.
mean Imran Hashmi yaar he's also a legend now.
Yeah.
So him coming on the show for like those moments was beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm so glad he was the one who played the intimacy coach.
Yeah, I know, I saw that. But how was your experience? You know, Shahrukh also came on the sets, I guess. Did you met him? Shahrukh sir se?
Actually जब मैं शूट कर रहा था he didn't visit.
Okay.
He visited on the days that I wasn't shooting.
Okay.
तो मैं उनको सीधा मन्नत में ही मिला था at the screening.
But what was the conversation like? Like how to survive Bollywood, something like that?
नहीं honestly I was speechless मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं पाया and I couldn't say anything he just came up and पहले तो I didn't expect him to come up to me and but I think उन्होंने मेरे 2-3 projects देखे थे अभी recently so he just wanted to tell me that you know hey good job अच्छा है I'm seeing you on screen but जैसे वो आए मेरे पास मैं कुछ बोल नहीं पाया. I had no words. और मुझे
Hmm.
याद है like he was also मैंने बस एक ही चीज बोली थी कि I'm sorry sir, I genuinely don't know what to say. And then he hugged me again, and then
Hmm.
he's like, it's okay, like मैं चलता हूँ.
You
You
carry on.
you
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 carry on.
handle this, yeah.
But otherwise, how is life going on?
Life is fun.
Yeah.
जब से show release हुआ है, I am so grateful.
Mm-hmm.
There's so much happening.
Mm-hmm.
There's so much love pouring in from the audience of the show, and I am. But I think most of all, I'm happy for Arya. I'm very happy for Arya. He
Mm-hmm.
deserves all the love in the world. He deserves all the praise because him and the whole team have worked.
Mm-hmm.
I was about to say like a not so suitable word for interviews, but
Mm-hmm.
they have really worked
Yeah.
on this, and everyone's done a great job from our cinematographer,
Hmm.
from our director. Jay Oza shot this, so
Hmm.
beautiful frames
Yeah.
and beautiful actors.
Hmm.
Everyone.
But after the release, after it went success, I really want to ask, कोई chat हुई आप लोग के बीच में यार क्या कमाल कर दिया हम सब ने मिलकर? कोई
Ah,
ग्रुप है आप सबका कि यार क्या गजब कर दिया हम सब
नहीं
ने?
नहीं actually I or maybe कोई group होगा.
Hmm.
I'm not a part of that group, but it the best part I think also which shows Aryan's character and who
Hmm.
he
Hmm.
is cast. If the cast or crew anybody from the team is posting about the show,
Mm-hmm.
Aryan is reposting them. Have you
Wow.
noticed?
Yeah, we saw that.
In
He's liking it. At least he's posting on the
he's reposting.
stories. Yeah.
He's doing PR for everyone.
That's great.
So
Yeah.
that's very kind of him to do.
Right.
You
But
know.
apart from this, I really want to ask, how is the bond going with Harshvardhan since your debut? I
Oh,
saw your last story.
Arey, you saw the story.
Yeah.
Pali, I love you, yaar. I love
So still
Pali.
that brotherhood going on?
अरे always.
Yeah.
पाली के साथ तो मिलते ही ऐसे लगा कि we've met in some other life and we
Hmm.
were very close
Hmm.
and we are still to this day very close.
Hmm.
Actually, the thing is कि there's a lot of distance between us because I have my own journey, he
Yeah.
has his own journey.
True.
But जब हम मिलते हैं ना तो ऐसे लगता है कि ओए like पिछले
Yeah.
हफ्ते ही तैश शूट किया था.
Yeah.
तो yeah.
How much things have changed after debuting your first and then today? कितना कुछ changes
काफी
हुआ
कुछ
है
चेंज हुआ.
बॉलीवुड में and as per your journey also.
हाँ, पहले मुंबई बहुत बड़ा लगता था. जब
अच्छा.
मैं पहली बार आया ना तो मैं खो गया था. I was like यार ये शहर काफी बड़ा है. But जैसे ही टाइम बीत रहा है आई कैन फील दैट मुंबई छोटा होता जा रहा है एंड इट्स बिकमिंग अ फैमिली नाउ. मैं कोई भी एरिया मैं इफ आई ड्राइव थ्रू एनी एरिया आई थिंक ऑफ समवन दैट आई कैन मीट. आई थिंक ऑफ some memory that I've had in that area. Even in Lokhandwala, I used to live on the back road, with my cousin, and he is also an actor,
Wow.
Rishabh Mehta.
Wow.
So we used to live together over here on the back road of Lokhandwala. And so yeah.
But do you still ask for works? I mean, you still audition for works?
Of course.
Yeah, you do.
अरे ऑडिशन में तो मजा आता है.
हाँ.
It's fun.
Yeah.
You know.
Because एक time होता है जब actors have been done a amount of work, quantity amount of work, तो ना they don't easily give the audition. They don't यार मैं audition नहीं देना है मुझे. तो वो nausea है अभी भी.
नहीं, I guess अगर आपके पास मान लो टाइम नहीं है, you know, then it makes sense. अगर आपका schedule बहुत packed है, आप already कुछ shoot कर रहे हो और आपका look भी अलग है, so maybe in those instances it's fine. I don't mind.
Yeah.
I don't mind giving auditions as ऐसे कोई like I feel like everyone should at least do a test.
True.
Before the director can decide कि अच्छा हाँ, this is my. Because director should also be confident na कि हाँ, I chose the person that I wanted.
True.
So yeah.
But other than that, how is music journey going?
Oh, so much fun.
Yeah.
So
coming up with some new tracks.
Yeah, always.
Yeah.
Always. Abhi my EP released this year. It's called Artillery, and my team, which is in Delhi, it's a studio called OTC Studio One, and it was founded by Ishan Badva.
Oh.
He goes by the name Iser Permanente.
Nice.
And Rakt, who is Rohan Saxena, and a bunch of other artists. They all make this studio a special place for us to go
Yeah.
and record our latest songs.
Wow, that's
So the team worked on it. EPR is actually featuring on this tape as well.
oh wow, nice.
EPR is awesome. I was acting with him in Kalbali Records.
Oh,
That's where we met, and that's where we talked about working on a song.
that's good. That's good. I wish you good luck.
Thank
I
you.
wish you do only good things.
Thank
But before going, we'll play some interesting things.
Why not?
है ना?
Yeah,
जैसे कि I will give you 5 names of musician. ठीक है?
please.
And you have to sing one lines for them.
I
Or
have to sing? No.
their songs or their
Or I can tell you, yeah, the one line from the song.
any song of them.
Okay.
Yeah? A.R. रहमान.
दिल से.
गाना है आपको कैमरे के लिए.
नहीं
उनके
मुझे
लिए.
गाना नहीं है. Sorry, I'm very shy as a singer.
Yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
You sung before.
But
the
I
song.
can rap.
Oh.
If you give me like hip hop songs,
Honey sing.
yaar, nahi. I love you, Honey Singh, but nahi,
नहीं हो पाया.
probably nahi. Give me some other task. Give me another activity.
Okay. I mean, you can sing some song, ना? कोई rap ही गा दो किसी का.
I woke up early on my born day. 20 years a blessing, the essence of adolescence. Leave my body now freshen. So that's Nas. Nas is
Oh.
one of my favorite rappers.
Yeah.
And these lines I used to sing. I used to rap
Huh.
when I first came to Mumbai.
Oh.
So when I was like 21, I came and then I used to rap this like all the time. ये मेरा favorite गाना था. It's called Life's a Bee, and it's on his first album, Illmatic.
Oh wow! But where this inspiration coming from?
Oh, I believe because I grew up in Queens, New York, and so New York around the time I was growing up was heavily, that area was very heavy hip hop, influenced. So that was, yeah, that really began my journey with music, listening to a lot of hip hop. I listened for a very long time. I only started making music when I was 20.
Oh wow!
So
acting and singing both.
yeah, definitely.
But yeah, good luck. It was lovely talking to
Thank
you.
you so much.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
talking to me.
No,
And I
thank
wish
you.
you only good luck in your future.
Yeah, and to you too.
Thank you, means a lot.